Welcome to Hidden Era Archives, where the lost, the forbidden, and the unexplained come back to light.
In the autumn of 1943, in the middle of World War II, a U.S. Navy destroyer escort allegedly did the impossible. Witnesses claimed the ship shimmered, glowed, and then vanished from Philadelphia Harbor. Some said it reappeared hundreds of miles away, just moments later. Others swore the crew was changed forever, disoriented, burned, even fused into the metal itself.
Officially, none of it happened.
But this is the story the world now knows as the Philadelphia Experiment. World War II was a race of technology. Radar, stealth, electromagnetic warfare.
And at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard, a secret experiment allegedly pushed beyond anything imaginable. The ship at the heart of the legend was the USS Eldridge, a newly commissioned destroyer escort. According to the accounts, when the generators activated, the ship began to glow in an eerie green haze.
And then, in complete silence, it vanished.
The legend might have died there, if not for one man who claimed to witness it all.
His name was Carlos Miguel Allende, a merchant seaman with a story nobody could verify. He wrote that he had seen the Eldridge disappear, vanish in a blinding electromagnetic field.
His letters were sent to a researcher named Morris Jessup, who became obsessed with the case.
Soon afterward, Jessup received a copy of his own book, mysteriously annotated by unknown hands.
But was any of this even possible, Allende, according to real physics?
The Navy was experimenting with electromagnetic fields, but only to protect ships from magnetic mines.
Degaussing could distort radar readings, even create strange glowing effects in foggy conditions.
But making a 1,200-ton warship truly invisible, or teleporting, would demand physics.
The U.S. Navy firmly denies the Philadelphia experiment ever took place.
They insist the Eldridge was never even in Philadelphia at the time witnesses claimed.
Crew members who served on the ship later said, "Nothing unusual ever happened."
And yet, the legend refuses to die.
Because it exists in the perfect space between secrecy and imagination.
The Navy truly was experimenting with electromagnetic fields. That much is certain.
But a ship vanishing into thin air? Or reappearing hundreds of miles away?
Most likely, the Philadelphia Experiment is a myth born from real science, amplified by human imagination. This is Hidden Era Archives. Subscribe for more untold truths from the shadows of history.